Now, my dear student, question number 6. They had given the two equations. First equation is this is equal to 1. Second equation is this is equal to 0. Let me solve firstly the first equation. 32 का होता है 2 की पावर 5. अंडर रूट का मतलब 1/2 होल पावर x. Then divided by 2 raised by y plus 1 as it is. This is 2, this is 2. So let me convert this also as the 2 raised to the power 0. So that all are having power या base 2. Now after that power get multiplied 5x upon 2 divided by this is equal to 0. Now 2 raised by 5x upon 2 minus ये वाली power is equal to 2 की power 0. तो this is equal to 0. Now बेटा listen, 5x upon 2 minus plus minus minus plus minus is equal to 0. Powers is equal to power because value is same, base are same, so power will be also same. Now let me take the LCM 2, so it will become 5x, it will become minus 2y, it will become minus 2 is equal to 0. LCM 2 and out. Now please understand it again. 32 become 2 to the power 5, under root power 1/2 whole power x. Power get multiplied. Similarly here as it is more than one item, so I keep them in bracket as it is. It is 1, so can be written as 2 raised to the power 0. Now same base, so on division power gets subtracted, this minus this, and then we open it, so it will become minus y, it will become minus 1, 2 raised power 0, so that is 0, base is over. On taking LCM, this is the equation. Now second part, 8 can be written as 2 cube as it is, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 as it is equal to 0. Now power get multiplied, power get multiplied, 4 4 just 16, 4 into minus x by 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. 0 can't be converted into 2. वहां पे क्या था 1, यानी कि 2 की पावर 0. यहाँ क्या है 0, I can't convert, तो what I do, I take this minus 2 to that side. Now value is same, base are same, so power will also same. On solving 2x plus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Again 2, 8, 2 raised power 3, 16, 2 raised power 4, rest as it is. Power multiply, power multiply as it is. Due to this 0, I can't convert into 2, so I take this negative term here, so it becomes positive. Now value is same, base are same, so power will also same. This minus 2x become plus 2x, this 16 become minus 6 in equation number 2. After that you solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 simultaneously by method of your choice. I had solved it here by the simple equation, and then I come to know that y is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. You can solve by any method, you are most welcome. I am not having the space to write by any other method, so for convenience I do it here only. You can do in any method. Okay, so x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Now my dear student, question number 7, first part, x upon a, x upon b whole power a plus b minus c, x upon b, x upon c whole power b plus c minus a, x upon c, x upon a whole power c plus a minus b. You know that this is the division. When we shift here, the power get minus a minus b, power get minus, that is b minus c, power get minus, that is c minus a. Now power get multiplied, power get multiplied, power get multiplied. A minus b multiply with this a square minus b square minus ac plus bc, आप जैसे मर्जी मल्टीप्लाई कर लें. b minus c multiply है b square minus c square minus ab plus ac. c minus a multiply this c square minus a square minus cb plus ab. After that base are same, so naturally power will get added. So it will be added. So what you will find out that this is the positive a square, this is negative. This is the negative b square, this is positive. This is negative c square, it is positive. It is minus ac, it is plus ac. It is plus bc, it is minus bc. It is minus ab, it is plus ab. So what you find out, all terms are same. One time it is minus, one time it is plus. So naturally what will happen? They will cancel each other. You will get x is per 0, that is 1. Any doubt? Good. Now my dear student, Question number 8. They are saying a raised to power x is equal to b raised to power y is equal to c raised to power z is equal to a. Then show that x, y, z is equal to 1. So naturally a raised to power x is b. So when we shift the power, तो power become reciprocal. फिर b raised to power is equal to c. When we shift the power, then it become 1 upon y reciprocal. c raised to power z is a. When we shift the power, it become reciprocal, that is 1 upon z. Now फिर मुझे याद आया कि I know the value of a. I know the value of a. So instead of this a, I had written b raised to power 1 upon x. Power get multiplied. 1 upon x multiplied with 1 upon z. तो that is 1 upon x. फिर मुझे याद आया कि b की वैल्यू भी मेरे पास थी. b की वैल्यू क्या थी? c raised to power 1 upon y. तो अगेन पावर get multiplied. तो ये 1 upon x y z. अब c क्या था? अकेला था और अकेले की पावर होती है 1 1 1. तो naturally value is same, base are same, तो power will also same. तो 1 is equal to 1 upon x y z. तो x y z is equal to 1. तो that is your answer. I hope you understand. Let me repeat. a raised to power x is b. तो a will be reciprocal यानी कि 1 upon x. b raised to power y. तो पावर उधर गई reciprocal 1 upon y. c raised to power z. z उधर गया तो reciprocal 1 upon z. पहले तो मैंने तीनों को पावर शिफ्ट कर दिया. फिर मुझे याद आया a की वैल्यू मेरे पास थी क्या? a की वैल्यू क्या थी? b की पावर 1 upon x. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ a I had written b की पावर 1 upon x. तो 1 upon x और ये वाली पावर 1 upon z म्यूचुअल मल्टीप्लाई, तो ये हो जाएगा x. फिर मुझे याद आया b की वैल्यू भी मेरे पास थी. b की वैल्यू क्या थी? c की पावर 1 upon y. तो अगेन पावर मल्टीप्लाई, तो ये देखो 1 1 1 जा 1 y into x z x y z. फिर मैंने कहा यहाँ पे c अकेला था यानी कि पावर 1. तो if this is 1, this is 1 upon x y z, तो they will be also same. तो on comparison x y z is equal to 1. That is the answer of question number 8. Now my dear student, question number 8. Like last time, but the difference is that this time ax, by, cz instead of equal to each other, they are collectively equal. Means this is equal to this is equal to this. तो मैंने कहा चलो let us imagine this is equal to the key. To make it little bit simplified like last time. Last time सिंगल है, सिंगल भी सिंगल सी था, इस बार नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा चलो मैं अपनी तरफ से ले लेता हूँ सिंगल k. तो यानी कि this a to power x भी k के बराबर है, b to power y also equal to k, c to power z is also equal to k. फिर जैसे लास्ट टाइम किया था, when power shifted 1 upon x, power shifted 1 upon y, power shifted 1 upon z. फिर वो ये कह रहे हैं सेकंड कंडीशन उन्होंने दे रखी है b square is equal to ac. b की वैल्यू क्या है? this I had written, then whole square. a की वैल्यू क्या है? this I had written. c की वैल्यू क्या है? this I had written. Now as the base are same, तो power will get added and power get multiplied. Now value is same, base are same, तो naturally they will be also equal. 2 upon y, 1 upon x plus 1 upon z. LCM लिया, z multiply here, x multiply here, xz multiply mutually. और जैसा मैं हमेशा रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि more than one item keep them in bracket. After that I shift the y here, this here and this x there. So y's value is this, that they are asking to prove. This we already proved. Again listen, it is just like previous question. The only difference is that in previous question a raised to power x b के, b raised to power x c के, यानी कि सिंगल a सिंगल b सिंगल c था. इस क्वेश्चन में ax by cz तो है पर सिंगल a सिंगल b सिंगल c नहीं है. abc in the question वो मैं ले नहीं सकता अपनी तरफ से. तो what I taken, I had taken k. तो that is equal to k, this is equal to k, this will be also equal to k. Power shifted 1 upon x, power shifted 1 upon y, power shifted 1 upon z. फिर इन्होंने they had given me the second condition. तो मैंने यहाँ पर क्या किया? b की वैल्यू, a की वैल्यू, c की वैल्यू यहाँ से डाल दी. After that power multiply, और क्योंकि सेम बेस था तो power get added. Now value same, base same, तो power will also same. तो this will be equal to this. इसको फिर हमने जब सॉल्व किया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो हमारे y की वैल्यू आ गई. That is end of the program of the day. Tomorrow we will discuss with the new question. Till then, please practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Be perfect.